The US stock market has been growing for the third day in a row. Yesterday, the benchmark stock indexes jumped and closed with almost 1% gains. The optimistic data in the ADP employment report contributed to the recovery of the US stocks. Besides, a crucial event took place yesterday, which could also have encouraged growth of US stocks. In the first vote, the Senate approved the temporary extension of the US debt ceiling by $480 billion. This is all good news. Today, the US Labor Department reported that the US economy added a modest number of jobs in September. The actual figure is much lower than projected. The unexpected weakness in the labor market could change trading sentiment in the United States. Closing yesterday, the S&P 500 climbed to a minor 0.8% to 4,400 points. However, today the index encountered resistance fueled by selling pressure. As a result, the S&P 500 turned lower again. Meanwhile, it's unclear how traders responded to the downbeat official employment data. Nevertheless, investors could find the upside of the situation, so analysts do not rule out that the index may rise to 4,450 points. Things will clear up on Monday. The US dollar is still trading at its highs. The index advanced to 94.30. The chart suggests that the greenback is poised to extend its growth. Investors have some worries that the regulator will continue its stimulus programs due to weak employment. Such prospects are bearish for the US dollar. In this case, experts warn about a bearish wave of the US dollar with its index declining to 94. The USD CAD pair is approaching the level of 1.2500. In the meantime, the currency pair is trading at near 1.2550. The price might plunge even deeper than the lower border of the predicted corridor. The thing is that the Canadian dollar finds solid support from the rally of oil prices, which is fueled by soaring gas prices. Currently, inflated gas prices are posing a tough challenge to the European economy. Bitcoin is ready to test a resistance of $55,500. If broken, the door will be open to new highs at $58,000 or $59,000 per token. Besides, analysts say that growing funding rates have set futures markets in motion. It means that some market participants could shift focus towards trading futures. Once Bitcoin reaches a new target, the crypto is likely to make a downward correction. It makes sense to be ready for this in advance. Now let's sum everything up. The US non-farm payrolls released today fell short of expectations. In this context, it's too early for the US Fed to withdraw the bond buying program. Perhaps under such fundamental conditions, the stock market will regain its footing, but the US dollar will lose support. We will see the market respond soon. That's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you on Monday. We wish you profitable deals and have a nice weekend.